The left bay of the horse barn did not have a wooden floor. Only the center bay did. So the left bay is basically like the right bay. The only thing that we did to it was we put swing doors on so that you could get in and out, where the right bay never had anything until we put the overhead door. And as you can see, it ended up being a catch-all, although we did store a bit more useful stuff than the other bays. On the left is an old gate. That box was a calf box. The plows we used every fall, and you can see we stored our little red tractor in there. However, it was just a dirt floor. We had to end up putting crushed stone in. As you can see right here, we've got a boat that we store there. It's a friend of ours. We let him store it because the local marinas want a fortune to store the boat. So we let him store it there. Here's the final shot from the mezzanine looking down onto the left bay. And that's pretty much the way it is today. We just keep that for the boat. We may end up doing something with it later if the guy ever gets rid of the boat. But for right now, we're just going to help him out.